Snapchat. Ooh, la la la. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and today's video is going to be on my first impressions on OLAPLEX. I have been dying to try OLAPLEX for a very long time. All of the curly girls in the community have been using OLAPLEX for quite some time, so I've been needing to get my hands on this, and I'm so grateful that OLAPLEX did send me a couple of their products. So today I'm gonna be using you. So today I'm going to be showing you how I use these three products: a treatment, a leave-in cream, and a bonding oil. So if you guys want to see how I got my results, then please stay tuned. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get right into the video. Okay, you guys, so before I get started, I quickly want to say thank you to OLAPLEX for sending me a couple of their products. So the treatment that I'm going to be using is the number 3 treatment, and it is this small jar here. And I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to demonstrate how to use all the products that they sent me actually, but this is like the biggest deal. And then they also sent me their number 6, and this is like a leave-in cream. And I'm going to apply this along with my other styling products after I do the treatment and all that good stuff. And then they also sent me a number 7 bonding oil. And it is this little guy right here, and it is so cute. I just think this is the cutest thing ever. So this is really going to be a raw first impressions because I've never ever used OLAPLEX. The real reason I even know about OLAPLEX is because of Hi Felicia. I've mentioned Hi Felicia before, especially on my Instagram, and she is like my curl mom, so anything she says is Bible, and her curls just speak for themselves. So I basically am gonna follow what she did. So in her video, she gently cleansed her hair, and that's what I did. So I need to detangle my hair, but I gently cleansed my hair, and as I go, I'm gonna detangle my hair and I'm gonna apply the treatment. So this treatment is meant for those of us who have color treated our hair, have a lot of breakage, straightened your hair. So if you're transitioning your hair and you're trying to repair your curls, then this treatment would be good for you. I have color treated hair and I have a lot of breakage because sometimes I'm not the most gentle when I'm detangling my hair, and I get really lazy with my hair just overall, as you guys probably know because I've said it plenty of times before. It's meant to repair your hair and strengthen your hair, and the best thing about this is that it's not just for curly hair, it's actually for all hair types, especially if you have highlights or something like that. This would be really good for you. I've been hearing a lot of good things about OLAPLEX, and as I said, if Hi Felicia recommends it, I'm down, I'm gonna use it. I'm just so glad that I finally get to try them, and I'm really excited for my results, and I hope that I do this correctly. I'm trying my best to follow directions here. I'm gonna separate my hair into sections and detangle and apply. Actually, I'm gonna actually detangle before I even do that. I've never detangled my hair just while it's wet like this. The only time I detangle my hair is when I'm applying conditioner in the shower. So yeah, I didn't apply any conditioner. I just cleansed, so I just shampooed a little bit. And the reason you really want to make sure that your hair is detangled is so the treatment can actually spread evenly through all strands. If your hair is tangled, it's just not gonna do that. So okay, so I've detangled my hair now and I sectioned off the bottom part, and now I'm going to start applying my OLAPLEX treatment. Yay! I'm so excited, you guys. I cannot wait to see these results and see how this works, because as I said, I've heard plenty of good things about this. Ooh, it smells really good. I really like the scent of it. It's like faint, but it still smells really good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna apply, I have highlights all over my hair, so I'm gonna make sure to really saturate all strands, especially going down to the ends. My ends definitely need the most help. So I'm just going to take a little bit for each section, and I'm really gonna saturate all the strands here. So far it's creating such great slip on my hair, which makes me feel like I'm really saturating all of the strands here. And just so you know, it is not a conditioner, so I am gonna condition after this. And your hair should be damp to get the best results. That's why you have to rinse it before you put this treatment on. Okay, and I'm gonna do twists in my hair to help train the curl. And you can actually just leave your hair however. You can put it in a plastic cap, but I'm actually gonna leave this on for about half hour. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoy watching me put this treatment all throughout my hair. Actually, I just remembered that before I twist, I'm gonna use my Denman brush to actually make sure that my hair is saturated enough. And then I'm gonna go back in and twist these pieces. And this is just how I'm gonna leave the treatment in my hair. So twisting helps to train your curl. And although my hair is basically free of heat damage, I still want to make sure that I'm always training my curls to get better and better. And this is in no particular way or anything like that. And when I get to the bottom, I'm just gonna give it a little twist like that. And that's it. I'm gonna be sure to go a lot heavier with the product, especially on the front, because my front pieces tend to get the driest the fastest, and like the tops of my hair. Okay, you guys, so this looks a little bit funny because what the heck is this? But I'm done applying my treatment, and I'm going to leave this in for about 25 minutes because, you know, all of the hair back here and everything is already saturated. It's been saturated for quite some time now. After I leave it in, I'm just gonna go in the shower, rinse it out, and then I'm just gonna apply conditioner as I normally would. For my conditioner, I usually leave some in after I'm done. And then I may come back on camera to apply my styling products. And actually, I am going to come back on camera to apply my styling products because I want to show you how I would use this one. I'm excited, you guys. My hair already looks shiny and feels so good. So I'm excited to see the results with this. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I am back. I rinsed out the OLAPLEX number 3 treatment, and then I conditioned as I normally would. And now I'm going to style my hair. Okay, so now that my hair is actually fully damped, it feels nice and moisturized, and I quickly noticed a difference from when I have not used OLAPLEX to the difference from using OLAPLEX now. My hair felt really strong, and it didn't feel like fragile like it typically feels. So I've already noticed a quick difference. So now I'm going to use the OLAPLEX number 6, and it is a bond smoother, leave-in reparative styling cream. It reduces frizz, nourishes, and protects. So the directions for this is to apply on damped or dry hair, and you'll concentrate it from your mid length all the way to the ends, and that's basically where I need most of my moisture anyways. So I'm gonna apply just a tad bit of this because I don't know if this weighs down my hair, and I really just want the ends and stuff to have more of the moisture. This smells even better than the treatment. It smells so good. I love products that smell good. Okay, so I'm just gonna take about a quarter size amount, probably a little bit more, and I'm just gonna apply it liberally. Here, just water, just want to look at that. Liberally to like the mid shaft to the ends of my hair. About that much. So I'm just gonna use my Denman brush to just comb out. And I'm gonna comb up and out, just to make sure all the strands are saturated and to help give me some volume and definition. Ooh. Okay, so I'm done styling my hair, and now I'm just gonna air dry just for about 20 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna diffuse, and I'll be back with my final results. So far my curls are juicy, and I didn't have to use an additional styling cream. All I used was some gel. So stay tuned for my final results. Hey you guys, so I am back. I've diffused my hair and it's only about 90% dry, but I wanted to show you guys how I apply my oils. If I am using an oil, I like to apply it when my hair is still a little bit damp, so like that I can diffuse a little bit more after applying oil. Sometimes I'll apply a little bit of oil even after I'm done completely diffusing my hair, but yeah, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of oil now. One thing I will say is I noticed that my ends were still a little bit dry, but that just has to do with my hair being a little bit dry, and I need to deep condition it. I need to deep condition a little bit more. So what I did was I put a little bit of the Not Your Mother's leave-in that I showed you guys in my drugstore curly hair routine. I just like to spray that on my ends in the midst of diffusing, and then continue diffusing, and that usually does the job for me. So yeah, I'm gonna use this little oil here, and this is the dispenser. So literally you just tap it, and I like this because it is very controlled, so you can't really go overboard with it. It's nice and controlled, so you see how much you're using. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells just like the leave-in, so I'm taking about that much. It's not a lot at all, and I like to just rub the oil in between my hands and then just kind of scrunch it into my hair, and that's basically it. I just wanted to add some shine and moisture. If you have highlights, you know that your hair tends to just get drier. Lighter hair means just taking more care of your hair, which is why I'm thinking about going back dark. There's always this constant battle of like, okay, I want light hair, I want dark hair, I want light hair. So I don't know, I'm enjoying my highlights, but it's just taking a lot out of me. Okay, so now I'm gonna really finish diffusing, and I'll be back with my final results. So far, so good. I've noticed my hair just feels a lot fuller and stronger. Okay, you guys, I'm officially back, and I am so ecstatic. My hair looks so freaking good. I wish I would have deep conditioned as well, because it would have helped a lot. But honestly, like the volume, like is OLAPLEX supposed to give you like this much volume? Because I feel like it gave me so much volume. In hindsight, the only thing that I would probably change is I would probably still add my styling cream for a little bit more moisture, since my hair was on the drier side. But overall, look at that. Look at like my, wait, let me show you guys. These are my like ringlets. This is how my curls are looking. I'm just really happy about that. I'm not used to, and I need to get probably into the habit of separating my curls a little bit, but I feel like I just let them do what they do, and that's pretty much it. Like this is insane. Insane. So I'm really happy with my results. I'm definitely going to keep using OLAPLEX. On the bottle, it recommends you use it 1 time per week, and then for damaged hair, 2 to 3 times per week. I think I can get away with just using it once a week. I'm probably gonna keep using this bonding oil over time. I really like how it just added a little bit of shine and didn't weigh down my hair at all. I like the way it smells, and I really like this, and I'm really glad that they did send me an oil, because I was in desperate need of an oil. I just didn't have one. If you guys have seen my past curly hair videos, I'm trying to reorganize and restock up on healthy curly hair products. So I'm really glad that OLAPLEX sent me these items, their products, and I'm really happy with the results. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think that it did a lot for my hair? I feel like you can actually even see my shape. And this is first day hair. This is usually like what my third or fourth day hair looks like because of all the volume, but this is literally first day hair. And keep in mind that back here there's still a couple of damped pieces because my hair just was not drying. Like, for the life of me, it was not drying. I was also trying to diffuse on cool air instead of adding a lot of heat. I did add some heat because I had to speed up the process at some point. Let me know if you guys want to see me do it a second time and see if I get even better results. I feel like when it comes to using products, the more you use it, the better you get at knowing how to use it, and so your results can only get better from there. So I feel like next time using OLAPLEX that my results will be even better than today. And yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!